Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the robot hand. Is it a robot hand? Well, probably yes. It's a robot camera man from Apai. Now this company is called actually Apai, and what they make something which is so robust for your smartphone. So I'm talking about not cameras but a smartphone. Well, smartphone nowadays have become more like DSLR like, mirrorless camera like, because it does things which are so incredible. But this kind of stuff gives you more fluidity. Now let us just unbox it and see what's inside. So we're having the Apai. I'm gonna keep it aside and see what's inside. Extra battery, but it does not come with an extra battery. So this one I purchased it and I decided to toss them inside so as it can be easy for me whenever I'm just tossing some batteries. Paperwork, very important. So you get a paperwork so as you can read it and see first of all what it does. So let us just read the paperwork. Well, I forgot something. We don't do that here. Okay, let us just unbox our stuff here from the nylon. So I'm gonna throw away this kind of nylon. So we got the batteries here and we got our Apai. Now first thing first, before I toss in some batteries. Now as you can see guys, this is something which is so smooth from Apai, and it's just something which is so robust from this robot hand, and it's just like, you know, those kind of fluidity angles, this way, that way, this way. It does some motion tracking, I guess so. So they stated here, let me just show you on the box, because so you might be asking me some spec about it, what it does. So this is what it does. It does some 360. It does some object optical tracking. It does some facial tracking. It does smart shooting, so you can shoot in a smart way. We're gonna test it out. This kind of stuff, you can mount it on your tripod. Again, that's the easiest thing to spell it. So let me just open it up. So as you can see guys, there's a AA batteries there. You can toss in 3 batteries. It's blinking. As you can see guys, it's just blinks. So I guess we're supposed to pair a phone. So it does the gestures and stuff, which is something which is so great. I'm actually right now recording on the phone. Now I'm gonna show you a little bit of how it works. So as you can see, though the downside is exposure. The exposure goes up and down. It's just crazy. So if I go this way, it's just tracking me. I go this way, it's still tracking me. But the only downside about this Apai, which I find it's this way. If I go somewhere here, sometimes it's losing me. It's like go the way crazy. I don't know what's happening, but it's just losing me. I don't know, but it's just losing me. You see, like if I just twist my head and pick it up, it's gone, man. So as you can see guys, this is how it works. So if I move this way, up on the camera there, you can see me there, it's just tracking smoothly. If I go somewhere here, the only thing which I find it, sometimes it's losing the face. So it's more basically when it comes to the face. So if I go this way, the facial recognition, it tries hard to get the flow of the picture. It's really trying harder. It's like, I don't know, but it's really trying harder. So if I just like move somewhere around far away, it's not getting it. But if I get on the camera, it's trying to match my face with me so as it can move all the way with me. So I can go all the way up to here on the camera side. As you can see guys, that's how it works. The Apai seems to be so good, so I'm like rotating myself 360 here. So it's really working out. It's really dope. I find it's really great when it comes to video tracking, when it comes, you know, those kind of moves. But sometimes if you move even this way, it's just off the hook. It's not that much stable when it comes to tracking you. I don't know, but if I stay this way, is it tracking me perfectly? You can see it's twisting. It does not like recognize that much. I don't know, but it's kind of like lost me. It's finding me. I'm here, buddy. Yeah. So guys, I hope you enjoyed on this kind of amazing Apai Genie review. Actually, something which is so dope about this kind of device, it's really way more cool using it in terms of that kind of tracking mode or that kind of hand. If you don't have anybody to help you out when it comes to your videos, like you want somebody to track you, or you know, those kind of stuff. If somebody is having a camera and is recording you, it can know all those moves. But using this kind of Apai Genie, it's really way more cool to just enjoy each kind of everything throughout it. So it's a really kind of worth it to buy this Apai, and it's really kind of cool gadgets to have. So I think to my own kind of aspect, it's really dope. So from the scale of I can say the scale of 10 to 0, I can keep it at least 7. It's just doing something which is so cool. So let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this Apai Genie. Is it something for you, or you're like, man, let me just grab something different like a gimbal or stuff like that, or let me just grab this kind of stuff? Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Perhaps it's something which interests you or not, but that's what it is. It's what it is. That's what's up. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and peace.